You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly in English. Yes, there are going to be different pronunciations in other languages, but we're going to look at the English pronunciation and also a little bit the other ones. The English pronunciation is as Jacinth. Ja, with a J pronounced like J, ja. Synth. The C is pronounced like an S, and TH with your tongue between your teeth. Jacinth. Now, it may be pronounced in other languages as Jacinth as well, but it may have different spellings too. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.